Hello and welcome back to another nail video, and today I'm so excited. I have so many new gifts from Maniology, so I want to send a special thank you to Maniology for sending over these products for me to try. And here is just a view of everything that came in my package, and I am so excited to be trying these products today. First, we have some nail lacquer, the Woodland Walk collection, a nail art precision brush, Forever Young stamping starter kit, some more nail lacquer, 2 additional stamping plates, a cotton grabber, and soft gel tips. Now, this Forever Young stamping starter kit is the kit that I will be reviewing in today's video, and it comes with 2 beautiful stamping plates, also a stamping guide, a scraper, 2 stamping polishes in blue and white, and a stamper. And I really do like this stamper. It's very lightweight and it has Maniology on the side. Also, here is the stamping guide with some tips and tricks. And then here is the nail lacquer. One is a base coat and one is a smudge-free top coat. In addition, the Woodland Walk collection in nail lacquer. And these are the beautiful colors. And some pre-buff soft gel tips. And I love these tips. They have additional sizes, and I am sure you will find your perfect fit. Now, this kit does not come with tape or a lint roller, but you will need that to remove the excess polish off of your stamper. And this is the stamping plate from the Forever Young stamping starter kit that I decided to use today. And it does have a film that you just have to remove, and it's so beautiful and it has so many designs. And I am using the nail lacquer North Light. And I decided to use the soft gel tips from Maniology to create some beautiful press-ons today. And I am applying the nail lacquer to each nail. One thing about nail lacquer is it dries extremely fast, and it is thicker than regular nail polish, so that's one thing to keep in mind. But painting these nails were a breeze. It was fast, quick, and easy, and it did not take long to dry at all. And I am using this beautiful color North Lights as a base coat, and it's a transparent blue with hints of glitter, and I love it. It's really stunning. Typically, I would use a base coat if I was doing this on my natural nails, but since these are tips, I decided to use this nail lacquer as a base coat. And I waited a couple minutes for this polish to dry, not very long at all, but I did want to make sure that it was dry so that when I applied my second coat, it would be nice and even. And one thing I like about this nail lacquer is that it dries with a shiny coat, and that's before you even apply the top coat. Okay, and for the fun part, the stamping, I am using the Maniology white stamping polish. And what I'll be doing is I'll be taking a generous amount of the white polish, and I only place it on one side of the design, and I use my scraper at a 45 degrees angle to scrape that product across, and then I do a rolling motion to transfer that design onto the stamper. And again, I use that same rolling motion to roll that polish onto the nail. Then I use my tape to clean the polish off the stamper, and you never want to use acetone to clean the stamper because that will definitely mess it up. Moving right along on my first finger, I'm going to use that same design, and I'm going to repeat that same process. And one thing I forgot to mention is that I actually looked through the back of this stamper to help me find the perfect placement of the nail art before I actually roll it down onto the nail. And for my middle finger, I'm going to be doing a different nail art, but the process is still the same. And I wanted to show you, once I actually pick up this stamping art, I did get another design. So I just used my tape to clean that design off so that I don't transfer that design with the one that I intend to use. Stamping nail art does have a little bit of a learning curve, and so I definitely suggest that you practice before you actually start stamping on the nails. But once you get the hang of it, it's definitely a simple, easy, and quick way to enhance any set of nails. And I think that's perfect if you're a beginner or someone at home that just loves to do your nails. This can be the perfect way to make your nails look so much better. And I must say, so far, I love this stamping plate, and I definitely will be using more of this plate as well as the others in more videos to come, so stay tuned. And also, if you are interested in purchasing this Forever Young stamping starter kit or any of the products seen in today's video, I will have a link in my description box for Maniology's website, as well as a coupon code EasyNails10, which can save you 10%. And last but not least, I am applying a very thin layer of the smudge-free top coat to each nail. Once again, I want to send a special thank you to Maniology for sending over today's products for me to try. I will leave a link in the description box down below to their website, and you can use my promo code EasyNails10 to save yourself 10%. And these are how the nails turned out. I love them. They were quick and easy and so simple, but yet such a beautiful design. As always, I want to thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next nail video.